Hey teacher, my name is Alejandro Mejia. In the text, in Bucaramanga, there are quite a few use with transportation. There's significant volume of cars of riding leading to heavy traffic during peak hours. The bus are often overcrowded, especially during rush times, making the commute uncomfortable. There aren't as many alternative transportation options as one will have, which limits choice for getting around efficiently. Do you think there may be ways to alleviate the traffic congestion? Perhaps be implementing better public transportation system or enacting alternative models of travel. Should we consider implementing stricter traffic regulate regulation to manage the flow better increase above your tone of this? I agree that the situation demands change. I'd love to see more investment in public transportation, the expanding the bus routes, or introducing more eco-friendly options like biking lanes or electric scooters. It could make community smooth and more sustainable. Thank you.